Yo, what's up guys? So, just got to the gym, about to hit some chest and tries, and then maybe a little bit of abs, gotta get the abs. That's what the girls like, So, yeah. Oh yeah, sorry about cursing a lot in the other one. I'll try to control myself more. Alright, let's get to it then. Super cloudy today, I don't know why. Alright, yeah, 3 more sets? Alright, it's all good. No worries. Unfortunately, it's taking. So we're starting this chest workout with the classic bench press, Right here, we're just warming up like usual. You always gotta warm up. You don't want to injure yourself to get it feels horrible. Trust me, you guys always warm up and then build up to it. Alright, we did it guys. We reached it, 45 and then 25. Alright, we're about to start the first set. Alright, let's get it. Balls to the wall, let's go. Alright, we're about to do our last set, but it's hard. It's getting hard. We had a strong freaking the ninja. Even with that, it's still hard, but it's all mental, It's all mental. So we're gonna try to do this last set. I feel like my chest, I'm not even flexing. You touch it, it's like inflated. It's crazy, but and this is barely our first set. We still got a lot more to go, but all right, let's get it. The last one, last set, best set. You know what they say.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
I barely finished that, guys. I came clutch, helping us, but just gotta keep going, no matter what. Like I said in my last video. But we're about to do incline dumbbell press, I guess you could say. Sorry, it's it's kind of hard to concentrate, but we got some 60s right now, and then we about to do incline. We're about to do 3x8. This is our supplement work right now.
Other niggas finished, done. This another anthem, yeah, they don't understand now. You don't understand what? Get the fucking hands up. Cause try as hard as you can, but niggas know they can't touch us. Niggas know that we coming in, money coming in like NASDAQ.
Alright, now we're gonna do flies, chest flies. It's really good, because it's like the last kind of punching the freaking chest right there, just exploding. Just when you bring them together, you really squeeze the chest. My chest is really full, but then just even more, it's the final thing. So we're gonna do 3x8 like always, and yeah, let's get to it.
That's no easy way out.
Squeeze the chest.
There's no shortcut home. There's no easy way out. Giving in can be wrong. I don't wanna pay you back. I don't wanna drag you down.
Thanks, Randy. Shout out Randy. Oh, Randy over here. Ooh, there you go. He's getting it, I'm gonna do tricep extensions with the dumbbell. Do 60, Alright, I'm gonna do it right now. Alright, last exercise of the day, guys. We're gonna do some dips to burn it out. Just burn out on. The pump really comes out on this one. So let's get it.
Hey, niggas these days ain't sacred. Niggas these days be fake. Young nigga flow so cold. Nigga be praying I shake it. But I let y'all make it.
How'd it feel like?
I'm in.
He's dying, dude. We're just doing abs right now. I'm dying too, not gonna lie, but It's pretty hard. You always gotta do ads. That's what the girls love. I don't know why. Social injustice.
You gotta do this how many times?
I do it 4 times. Jesus. Now I got a class at 1.
Boy, if you don't get